This is my favourite subscription box of all time. This is the Indy box. It's the June box and I'm posting it really late because I just haven't had time to do any unboxings or anything. This is £31.50 a month and the value of this box is £146. I used to do price comparisons with what I could find it with online. However, it's always pretty much the same, maybe £20 either way. So let's see what we got inside this box. Quick look at what's inside. This is the hyaluronic acid vitamin C radiance mist. I have got so much skincare, I'm going to have an absolute cheek to keep this. I might give it to my mum. This is a brightening serum. Once again, I'm going to have an absolute cheek to keep this, but I think I am going to keep it because the one that I'm using at the moment, I'm just about to run out, and anything with pineapple in it is a winner to me. Nourishing hand and foot cream. I'm definitely going to be giving this away because in one of the recent boxes, I got a foot balm, which I absolutely love, so I'm going to probably give this one to my mum. This is a replenishing body serum. I have got a lot of serums, but I don't have any body serums, so I'm really excited to try this one. Restore and Glow coffee oil. I'm definitely not going to keep this. Anything that's anything to do with coffee, I can't. It'll just give me the bulk. But I'm happy to give this to somebody as a gift. Anything I receive in these boxes that's coffee, watermelon or coconut goes straight into a box to give away as a gift. But let me know what you think of this month's box. The value of this is £146. I must admit that the July one is my favourite one that I've had so far. This one's not too bad. But this was only £31.50. I think that is an absolute bargain. Let me know what you think in the comments.